Hello, my lovely Sagittarius. This is Tulsa from Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of June 2021. Let's get started, guys. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs, the month of June. Oopsie. You've got the King of Swords, the Eight of Wands, Page of Cups, the Fool, Page of Wands, Ace of Swords, and Page of Pentacles. Lots of pages coming your way, Sagittarius, and pages usually bring in a lot of news, lot of communication coming your way. With the Eight of Wands, I see lot of passionate communication coming your way. Now, this could be from somebody who somebody who's been a part of your life but hasn't really gathered the courage to talk to you so far. But now they do. They're hell-bent on telling you how they feel about you, and this connection that you guys have could be a friendship, could be a business partnership, but here I see it is about romance and love. With the Page of Cups, they want to come to you and tell you how passionately they feel about you, how loved they can make you feel if you give them a chance, Sagittarius. They want you to take a leap of faith with them. They want to take a leap of faith with you. But see, their decision is theirs. I can't tell them anything. But as your psychic reader, I would try to advise you, don't take hasty steps, because you know how they turn out, right? They seldom turn out in your favor. Get to know the person, no matter how good, bad, or ugly they are. You need to make sure that you're investing your love and energy in the right direction. My doggy is here. Hi. Hi. I don't know if you can hear her. She loves being here when I'm recording. Okay. Sagittarius, I feel when this communication comes your way, you will feel as if you're struggling to make a decision. Okay. Because in the past you've had certain bad experiences and it's not helping you. You know, this new connection is something that you feel is just like the others, and you're not being able to decide whether or not to go ahead with it, Sagittarius. So when the time comes, you might find yourself sitting on a fence, not being able to come to a conclusion. But it's okay, Sagittarius. I see this person is genuinely making an effort. But you know what? Go with your vibes and never underestimate your gut. So go with your inner feeling, you know. If your gut is guiding you towards this person, take your time, get to know this person. Bring love into the situation. Don't let pride get in your way. Surrender to the divine. What do you need to release? Expect powerful change. Be bold and make the first move. Wow, these are some cut and dry messages from the angels. They know that you're facing this dilemma and they are telling you to just leave everything. If you want to rip the band-aid off, go ahead and rip it off. Let the wounds heal on their own. Let the chips fall where they must. Remain positive. No need to worry. Unlikely. And a big yes. Unlikely and a yes. Do you see how the cards have picked your energies up? You're confused. And it's okay to be confused, because sometimes confusions lead you to your answers. So take your time, Sagittarius. It's okay. Think about it. If it's something that you really wanted, then go ahead with it. But if you feel there is something better, then don't shy away from saying no. Okay? One last message for you. When I lean on the certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. Have faith, guys. That's what the angels are trying to tell you. Your higher self will guide you. Just be open to it. That's all, Sagittarius. I hope it resonated with you. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.